Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the HiBy R3, which is a portable music player. It is inside this box, which I got today in the mail, and I will be opening it to show you the product, which is the HiBy R3. So we're opening it, and the first thing that we'll see is the pouch over here, the carry bag, which was one of the stretch goals, I believe, of some items that are here are from the stretch goal from the Kickstarter campaign, because this was from the Kickstarter campaign. And so here you can see the bag, and here I think it was from the pledge actually, but this, the plastic cover, it was actually from stretch goal. This is the plastic cover, and here is what you wanna see, which is the HiBy R3 music player. So here's the box, pretty simple. And so when we open it, we have to first take the wrapping. So to take the wrapping off, I'll be using some tools here to open it. Alright, and now let's open it carefully. R3 high resolution music player. So this is the box, pretty simple. And let's open it. Here it is, the HiBy R3. Pretty small, portable, and you can see that the protector, the screen protector that it has, it tells you what each button does and all of that. Pretty simple actually. And there you have it, the micro SD slot, the USB-C cable. These are buttons to play, preview, next. This is the something, I believe it's a toggle button. That's something that I need to take it out, or it's the power button maybe. 2.5 jack here, and the 3.5 headphone port here. So yeah, there it is, it's turning on. And while it turns on, continuing with the unboxing, here's the setup. Let's do the setup here for a moment. English, and yeah, there's HiBy player, and yeah, because this is basically the HiBy player. I need to insert the micro SD card to start using it. So yeah, I haven't done that. So yeah. Continuing here, we can see here is another protective cover. This one is white, so it comes with white and the transparent one, the clear one. And here we have the, let's take a look, the charging cable or data cable, USB to USB-C. And here, let's see what's here. So the high resolution stickers are here, and here we have a screen protector here, screen protector, another screen protector, and the user manual. So here we have the HiBy player, the screen protectors, the stickers, the manual, the charging cable, and the transparent case, and the white case. And this concludes this unboxing. Oh, and the pouch here. So this concludes the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.